The Insta360 Bullet Time accessory. Endanger others for the sake of your video. So first and foremost, what is the Insta360 Bullet Time accessory? Well, it's essentially a base with a cord that you attach onto the Insta360. The cord itself is retractable and expandable. And combine all of these together and you have yourself a bullet time video. Just note, if you're using this out in public, you'll need a diameter of at least 2.2 meters. So I guess the first question on everyone's mind, is it secure?
Yes.
So yes, this is very secure. Oopsies. That's gotta be worth one subscribe. Just one more thing to note, this review is done with the Insta360 X4, not the X4. So now that you have an overview of the product, let's look at the pros. The very first pro on this list is the shot itself. This tool, as far as I'm aware, is the only tool, with the exception of the other Insta360 accessory, that'll get you a bullet time shot like this. And on that note, I think we segue to the strongest pro of this. It's lightweight, quick to set up, easy to use, and portable. I often find myself actually setting this up, keeping it in my pocket, and walking around with it until I find the right place for a bullet time. An unforeseen benefit of this is that it also bypasses many places' security, such as Disneyland, where they ban things like selfie sticks. Which also means that the other bullet time accessory will not cut it. This, although it does not replace the selfie stick, is a great alternative to capture everything around you. And of course, my videos will always remain truthful regardless of sponsorships, so you can expect some cons. This video is sponsored by me. I bought the Insta360 accessories and booked the trip to Japan just so I could review it. Japan trip here somewhere. Alrighty, so the very first con. The first thing I mentioned was, yes, it is secure, but this cable frays, so it does not inspire confidence over a period of time. Quick update, at time of editing this, it broketh. It won't unscrew itself and I have to use a spanner. I've lost all confidence in the unit that I have. By the way, sometimes if the cord doesn't retract fully, all you have to do is extend this out completely and let go and pray it doesn't hit your finger. Ah. And also, when taking this off, you can't use that same trick because it won't actually retract all the way, but it's pretty simple. Just stick this in and force it out by turning it counterclockwise. Like this, see? Ta-da! And the second con, which I think may be a deal breaker for most, but you will look like a buffoon in public. Yeah, that's pretty much what everyone thinks when they see you in public swinging this mace. Now, if that part made you uncomfortable, just know it won't happen in public, but people will judge you and think that in their head. Not me though, I don't care. And obviously because of that, you need a clear radius around you. You can't do it in crowded areas, like Shibuya. And another potential deal breaker is that the processing is not all there yet, especially in different lighting conditions. Take a look at this clip I took at Hakone. You can definitely see where the string is and how it's trying to process it, and it's just not successful at doing that. And even in good lighting, it struggles sometimes. And to further my point, look at this Facebook ad which they have. If you're nitpicky and you look around the hands, you can see the string is cutting out bits of the hand. Just one other thing to note, there is no reframing in post. What you see is what you get. If you don't swing it upright, you may get some black bars in your frame. And to add insult to injury, you can't watch the bullet time on your Insta360. You've got to download the phone app and view it on there. However, you can speed ramp this in post and it looks amazing. Another con is that if you're doing it in a group setting, when you stop the bullet time, it may hit someone else. On second thoughts, that's probably a pro. So do I recommend the Insta360 accessory? Yes, but only if you're looking for that very niche shot. It does come with a lot of limitations and flaws, which I think for the most part you can probably overlook, but just be prepared that you may need to replace the tool itself, and what you see is what you get. There is nothing you can do in post to recover it. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments. Get home safely.